It's too much. There's no middle.
Is it recording? Okay. So, hey guys. Mixed Media Girl here.
Okay, I'm so used
It's going to be a blooper reel.
Take two.
Yeah, it is. It is.
I'm just gonna let him roll till
yeah,
you
just
till you're
let
done.
him roll.
It's been rolling since before you told me to press play. Go.
Thanks, honey.
Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl is here with MelyD in MTO from California.
From Los Angeles.
From Los Angeles. Okay. So, you were on a trip to see your family and you decided to stop by here?
Yeah, you know, I was like, just take a couple minutes and just pop over to Canada real quick. Pretty much. No, actually, I really, the whole main point of this trip was to go to Canada. I've never been to Canada before. And I actually really wanted to come meet you and a few
Isn't that
other
cool?
people. So I was like, let's go. And his family, my husband's family is nearby, so it was like, you know, we'll, of course, spend some time with them as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And you guys, we made a painting together. We decided to do a collab, so we're going to be showing you after this intro that we're outside on my terrace here. We filmed in my art room on a 30 by 40 canvas, black negative space background.
Which was really hard for me.
Which
Really, really hard. I wanted to take all the negative space away.
Yeah, we're very opposites in that area. I wanted a lot of negative space and she had trouble with that, so we both did our thing on the same painting and it's kind of cool.
It's very, yeah, it's definitely interesting.
It's interesting.
We're not actually quite sure if we like it or not.
Not sure yet.
But
so
I think I like it.
Yeah,
I
I like it more than I don't like it. But it's...
That works. That's good enough.
And it's drying at the moment. So that's it.
We hope you enjoy. You gotta leave that in there.
A.
A?
A.
Oh, A.
We got A. Sure. Dude, it looks like a sperm.
So we're taking all the sound out of this video. Alright, this is all you. No pressure.
I almost feel like leaving it. I'm afraid to ruin it.
It won't dry like that. You gotta spread it out a little bit, it'll be too thick. It'll crack.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so I maybe bring it back a little bit this way first.
It looks such like a sea creature.
It looks really cool. But I'll leave that up to you.
It's gonna crack, you say?
Yeah.
I'm so afraid to move it. Like, seriously, I'm gonna ruin it.
No. Those colors work really good together.
I'm gonna wait till I'm ready. Or else I'm gonna ruin it. Fucking cat is not even here anymore. He's probably hiding, actually. I'm just gonna go with what I feel, or else I'm gonna ruin it. I'm gonna wait for it.
That's totally fine. Yeah. So we have the
It's cool.
kind of cloud effect happening again here. It's interesting too because you can tell what sells up more.
Yeah.
And the reactions of the different colors, even though they're all the same paint and.
Okay. So. And there's also the ring around the black. You see that line there?
Yeah.
So if I move it that way. It just brings it more back into place, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Oh man, people are going to see all kinds of stuff in here.
Yeah.
Fetus and everything.
Oh, that's true.
that one comes up often, eh? The fetus. Okay. I'm afraid. I'm going to wait. It's because I can see what it's going to do.
Well, the thing is, you gotta kind of center the weight a bit. So, a little, maybe even tilt it from this direction a bit.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. The baby's still intact.
I'm really feeling like leaving it, seriously. Okay, so if I move it like super to that way, and let's say I destroy the circle and pour it off.
I don't think that would destroy it. I think that would be awesome.
Seriously?
That's just me.
No, but seriously?
Yeah. That's totally what I would do.
Pour it off the side?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I want to do. Okay. Oh my god.
There it goes. Ooh, pretty. Yeah. That is amazing.
In fact,